Alrighty, Jambox Breaks here is the 14th of August, 6 p.m. Eastern Time, doing a personal Topps Chrome hobby box here for Jesse. Good luck, sir. 2 autos per box. Generally, it's been 1 color, 1 regular per box. So we had last night and the 3 we did. I haven't done a full case of hobby yet, so I don't know if all the boxes are like that or not. But it seems to be hitting better than Jumbo. Good luck, sir. All right, Kang. We got Brian Johnson refractor, Tom Murphy, number to 275 on the purple. Let me tilt this down a little bit more. Seems to have more color in the hobby than there is in the Jumbo. All right, X-Fractor of Aaron Blair. Got a refractor of Matt Carpenter. There's a Max Kepler rookie for you. Steven Mott's Future Stars. We got a Adrian Gonzalez refractor. All right, rookie autograph of Julio Urias. Nice. They're running about $50 right now. They'll go up though. So there goes your first hit. They will go up. One of the top pitching prospects out there. Luis Severino. Refractor of Ross Stripling. You want your base shipped too, or no, Jesse? Trevor Story, X-Fractor. I'll just ship it all. Makes it easier because you bought the box. And sometimes you don't want your base. Matt Kemp refractor. Let me ship it all to you. Makes my life less confusing. We got Mark Teixeira. Okay. Chris Bryant. Andy White person box. I'd rather just ship it all. All right, we got some orange. Nice. Matt Reynolds, number to 25. Orange refractor. It's numbered 1 of 25. Good rookie for the Mets. Carlos Ruiz refractor. We got an X-Fractor of Andrew Miller. Andrew McCutchen. Joe Panik. Tulo. Nice. Miguel Sano. Look at that. PC card, buddy, out of 25. Fuck Max Kepler. On the orange, out of 25. Lucky number 7. Numbered 5 of 25, sir. You wanted Max Kepler. I'll take Sano over him any day. Kepler is on fire, though. There you go, sir. What a box for you. Good for you, man. I'm glad I got you a nice PC card for you. That's sick. That's sick, dude. Told you, man. Hobby hits better. Always said that. Trey Turner. Everyone wants to do Jumbo all the time. Kyle Schwarber. That's the second orange auto we've gotten in this case so far. Had Bryce Harper last night, now that. Josh Reddick. Yasiel Puig, Fractor. 2 packs left, man. Mikey Trout. And last pack. Good box, man. Good box. Miguel Cotto. There you go, sir. Thanks, Jesse. I'll see you in a couple minutes here for whatchamacallit. I'll take a picture and put it on the wall for you. But I'll see you for a couple minutes here in Strata. So I'm just gonna log off real quick. I'll be back in about 10 minutes. Thanks, dude. Appreciate it. If you want any more, let me know.